Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Walmart affiliate program for US retail deals, full guides. To activate the Walmart affiliate program, start by visiting the Walmart affiliate homepage. Look for the option to join the affiliate program. Click on the sign up or join now button to proceed. You will need to create an account. Fill in the required information, including your name, address, and email. Choose a secure password for your account. After completing the registration form, submit your application. Walmart reviews each application to determine eligibility. Check your email for a confirmation message from Walmart. Once approved, log into your affiliate account. Familiarize yourself with the affiliate dashboard. Explore the various tools and resources available to you. To promote Walmart products, navigate to the Products section. Here, you can browse through different categories of items. Select the products you want to promote. For each product, generate unique affiliate links. These links will track any sales made through your referrals. Utilize the banners and ads provided by Walmart. You can embed these on your website or social media platforms. Develop engaging content to promote the selected products. Always disclose your affiliate relationship to your audience. Regularly monitor your performance through the dashboard. Track clicks, conversions, and commissions earned. Optimize your strategies based on the data you gather. Stay updated on Walmart promotions to maximize earnings. Engage with the affiliate community for tips and support. Remember to comply with Walmart's affiliate program policies. By following these steps, you can effectively activate and utilize the Walmart affiliate program. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.